Beloved South Africans, today is the 21st of March, 2026. Sober people are celebrating Sharpville Shooting Day, not Freedom Day. It's not a Freedom Day. There's no freedom, there's no democracy. The people of Sharpville died in vain, died for criminals to rule over us and destroy our hope. ANC, 32 years, it's 32 years of their so-called whatever democracy, whatever they call it, a counterfeit democracy. They have built nothing. Nothing. There's nothing concrete that we can say. It's a legacy of corruption. They have built nothing for the people, for the majority of our people. Instead, they have been trying to rename, to rewrite history, to position themselves as the only liberators of South Africa, erecting stages of Walter Sisulu and Nelson Mandela, renaming streets, renaming towns. Nothing. They've built nothing. There's nothing that they have built in 32 years. Nothing that we can say, this is ours. It was built by ANC. It was built for the people. They are just rewriting history to suit their comfort and to appear as good leaders or liberators. They never liberated South Africa. There are people who died, who were killed by the very same sellouts who are sitting in parliament. Their names are erased from history. They killed Chris Hani because he was incorruptible. He was not like them. He was going to liberate the people of South Africa. They killed Sobukwe. They killed our leaders because they were sellouts. The Rivonia trial accused ANC of treason. History is proving to us in 32 years that ANC is really a treasonous, roach, criminal, terrorist organization that does not serve the people but serve itself and its masters. I was born and raised in the Valley. When I go there, it pains me to see the conditions of the people living there. It's a filthy slum. There's nothing there going on there. The municipality, Mfuleni, it's non-existent. There's filth everywhere. Sewage, potholes. It's very painful for the people who are living there. They stay there. They stay for days or weeks without electricity. Yet the ANC claims that there's no, they have solved the load shedding. People from the ground are suffering. And now today they are mobilizing people to fight their own battles with USA and Israel. They can't mobilize people for employment. They can't mobilize people for land, to give them land. They can't mobilize people to empower them. They only use them, stooges, fools. I don't know the people of South Africa. They are under a curse or a spell of deep slumber, being controlled by politicians to serve their interests. How can you go and march for sovereignty? There's no sovereignty. I don't think they even understand what is sovereignty. There's no sovereignty in South Africa. There's no freedom. Today it's Sharpville Day. It's not a freedom day because there's no constitution. There's no freedom for our people. There's no freedom without economy. Let's just get that right. There's no freedom. The very same ANC is doing the same thing that apartheid was doing to our people. They arrest people, they kill people, they oppress those who speak up, they suppress. Well, apartheid was better because there was service delivery. For ANC, there's nothing. It's just a maze. We live in an open-air prison, a maze of mediocrity. So, I don't know what's wrong with the people of Val. The youth there, they are sleeping. They only care about wearing expensive clothes. What's the point of wearing expensive clothes or driving an expensive big car in a damaged road, drinking expensive alcohol while children have no shoes to go to school? The moral decay in this country is disheartening. People need to wake up from their slumber, the sleep that they are in. You need to wake up. We can't continue like this with a non-existent government, non-existent departments, non-existent municipalities. They are working, but they are always sleeping on the office while the country is burning. There's a Chinese proverb that says, an evil man will burn his country to rule over ashes. That is what ANC is doing, burning the whole country just to rule over ashes. South Africa has failed. We can't celebrate freedom without economy. We can't celebrate sovereignty without being able to do what we want to do. Thank you.